तो दोस्तों, पहला MCQs है कि किलर माउंटेन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। जो किलर माउंटेन है वर्ल्ड का, वो किसे कहा जाता है? नंगा पर्वत को। दूसरा MCQs है कि गेटवे ऑफ इन्वेडर किसको कहा जाता है? खैबर पास। ये असल में ये जो हम MCQs पढ़ रहे हैं ये पाकिस्तान से रिलेटेड है, तो इसलिए आपने इसको पाकिस्तान ज़हन में रखना है। तो गेटवे ऑफ इन्वेडर किसे कहा जाता है? खैबर पास। सिटी ऑफ ग्रीनरीज इस्लामाबाद। मैनचेस्टर ऑफ पाकिस्तान किसको कहा जाता है? फैसलाबाद को। क्वीन ऑफ क्रॉप किसे कहा जाता है? पंजाब को। लैंड ऑफ प्योर पीपल पाकिस्तान को। गेटवे ऑफ पाकिस्तान कराची। सिटी ऑफ लाइटनिंग कराची। लिटिल पाकिस्तान ब्रेडफोर्ट। स्विट्ज़रलैंड ऑफ पाकिस्तान स्वात को। सिटी ऑफ कॉलेजेस लाहौर। पर्ल ऑफ द हिमालय कागान वैली। सिटी ऑफ टेक्सटाइल फैसलाबाद। फिर उसके बाद ब्रेसेला ऑफ पाकिस्तान इस्लामाबाद। ब्रेड बास्केट ऑफ पाकिस्तान पंजाब। लैंड ऑफ 5 रिवर पंजाब। साल्ट होम ऑफ द वर्ल्ड पाकिस्तान। एंड वैली और सिटी ऑफ फ्लावर्स पेशावर को कहा जाता है। अच्छा जी, तो अभी हम नया पोर्शन शुरू करते हैं। लार्जेस्ट, वर्ल्ड लार्जेस्ट, लॉन्गेस्ट एंड टालेस्ट एंड स्मॉलेस्ट से रिलेटेड। तो जी पहला MCQs है कि लार्जेस्ट ओशियन इन द वर्ल्ड। पैसिफिक ओशियन। लार्जेस्ट बे इन द वर्ल्ड। हडसन बे। लार्जेस्ट कंट्री एरिया वाइज इन द वर्ल्ड। सोवियत यूनियन रशिया। लार्जेस्ट डैम इन द वर्ल्ड ग्रैंड क्यूली डैम USA। लार्जेस्ट डेजर्ट इन द वर्ल्ड सहारा डेजर्ट नॉर्थ अफ्रीका। लार्जेस्ट गल्फ इन द वर्ल्ड गल्फ ऑफ मेक्सिको। लार्जेस्ट वोल्केनो इन द वर्ल्ड मेनुनाली हवाई। लॉन्गेस्ट कॉरिडोर इन द वर्ल्ड रामेश्वरम टेम्पल इंडिया। लार्जेस्ट आइलैंड इन द वर्ल्ड ग्रीनलैंड। लार्जेस्ट लेक इन द वर्ल्ड कैस्पियन सी। लार्जेस्ट फ्रेश वाटर लेक इन द वर्ल्ड लेक सुपीरियर। लार्जेस्ट माउंटेन रेंज इन द वर्ल्ड इंडीज साउथ अमेरिका। Largest peninsula in the world Arabia. Largest planet in the world Jupiter. Largest railway station in the world Grand Central Terminal New York City USA। फिर उसके बाद जी लार्जेस्ट रेलवे प्लेटफॉर्म इन द वर्ल्ड वेस्ट बंगाल इंडिया। लार्जेस्ट एनिमल इन द वर्ल्ड ब्लू बॉटम व्हेल। Largest bird in the world ostrich. Largest sea in the world South China Sea. Largest cathedral in the world Cathedral Church of New York. Largest cemetery in the world Ohlsdorf Cemetery Hamburg Germany. Largest church in the world Basilica of St. Peter in the Vatican City Rome. Largest country area in the world Russia. Largest delta in the world Sundarban India. Largest desert in the world Sahara North Africa. Largest dam in the world Grand Coulee Dam USA. Largest hotel in the world Excalibur Hotel Las Vegas USA. Largest library in the world United States Library of Congress Washington. Largest mountain range in the world Indies South America. Largest minaret in the world Sultan Hassan Mosque Egypt. Largest palace in the world Imperial Palace China. Largest park in the world National Park of Northeastern Greenland. Largest platform in the world Grand Central Terminal. Largest stadium in the world Starhovi Stadium Prague Czech Republic। उसके बाद है जी लार्जेस्ट सी बर्ड इन द वर्ल्ड। सी बर्ड जो लार्जेस्ट है उसका क्या नाम है? उसका नाम जी अल्बेट्रोस। लार्जेस्ट सी बर्ड। Largest sea in the world South China Sea. Largest temple in the world Angkor Wat in Cambodia. Highest lake in the world Titicaca Bolivia. Highest mountain peak in the world Mount Everest. Highest mountain range in the world, Himalayas, Asia. Highest plateau in the world, Pamir, Tibet. Highest road in the world, Leh Nobra, Ladakh division of India. Highest village in the world, Indian Chile. Highest volcano in the world, Ojos del Salado, Argentina, Chile. Highest rail track in the world. Highest airport in the world, King Abdulaziz International Airport, Saudi Arabia. Highest airport in the world, Lhasa Airport, Tibet. Highest waterfall in the world, Angel. Highest city in the world, Wenchuan, China. Biggest flower in the world, Rafflesia. Biggest museum in the world, American Museum of Natural History, New York. उसके बाद है जी स्मॉलेस्ट कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड, वेटिकन सिटी. स्मॉलेस्ट कॉन्टिनेंट इन द वर्ल्ड, ऑस्ट्रेलिया. स्मॉलेस्ट प्लैनेट इन द वर्ल्ड, मरकरी. लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर इन द वर्ल्ड, नाइल, अफ्रीका. लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर डैम इन द वर्ल्ड, हिरकूद डैम, इंडिया. लॉन्गेस्ट ट्रेन इन द वर्ल्ड, फ्लाइंग स्कॉट्समैन. लॉन्गेस्ट एपिक इन द वर्ल्ड, महाभारता. उसके बाद जी लॉन्गेस्ट डे इन द वर्ल्ड, 21 जून. लॉन्गेस्ट ब्रिज इन द वर्ल्ड, हीपी लोंग ब्रिज, यूएसए. लॉन्गेस्ट कैनाल इन द वर्ल्ड, बाल्टिक सी, वाइट कैनाल. टॉलेस्ट एनिमल इन द वर्ल्ड, जिराफा. टॉलेस्ट बिल्डिंग इन द वर्ल्ड, दुबई बुर्ज खलीफा. उसके बाद जी टॉलेस्ट फाउंटेन इन द वर्ल्ड, एरिजोना फाउंटेन हिल्स. टॉलेस्ट टावर इन द वर्ल्ड, C9 Tower, Toronto, Canada. Oldest theatre in the world, Italy, Teatro Olimpico. Lowest water level in the world, Dead Sea. Lowest mountain in the world, Bisnabele. Hottest place in the world, Aziza, Libya. Coldest planet in the world, Neptune. अच्छा, सबसे जो हॉट प्लेनेट है वो वीनस है और कोल्डेस्ट प्लेनेट हमारे पास नेपच्यून है. Lightest gas in the world, hydrogen. Deepest ocean in the world, Pacific Ocean. उसके बाद है जी brightest planet in the world, Venus. Most populous country in the world, China. Least populous country in the world, Vatican City. Nearest planet to the Sun, Mercury. Deepest lake in the world, Baikal, Siberia. Deepest. Shortest day in the world, December 22. उसके बाद जी widest waterfall in the world, Honi Falls. Brightest star in the world, Dog Star, Sirius. Fastest bird in the world, Swift. Deepest ocean in the world, Pacific Ocean. Largest continent in the world, Asia. ठीक है जी. अच्छा जी, यह सवाल है कि वो वाज द फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन असम्बली ऑफ पाकिस्तान. तो आंसर है क़ायद आज़म मोहम्मद अली जनाब. अच्छा दोस्तों, एक बात और कि आज की जो वीडियो है इसमें इंशाल्लाह मैं मुख्तलिफ़ किस्म के, आप लोगों ने ये नहीं देखना कि अगर वीडियो जितनी भी लंबी हो जाए, बेशक वीडियो 1 घंटे की हो जाए, 40 मिनट की या 2 घंटे की, तो ज़ाहिर बात है जितनी वीडियो लंबी होगी उसमें मटेरियल, उसमें इंफॉर्मेशन, नॉलेज उतना ही ज़्यादा होगा. तो आप देख रहे हैं कि आज मैं मुख्तलिफ़ तरीके से पढ़ा रहा हूँ. मैं मुख्तलिफ़ टॉपिक्स को इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे, नेशनल लेवल पे, करंट अफेयर्स, पाकिस्तान अफेयर्स, जनरल साइंस, तमाम चीज़ों का आज मैं टच दूँगा और इंशाल्लाह एक ज़बरदस्त लेक्चर होगा हमारा. तो जी स्टार्ट करते हैं. आफ्टर हाउ मेनी ईयर्स डिड पाकिस्तान गेट हर फर्स्ट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन? 9 ईयर. हु वाज मोहम्मद अली बोगरा प्राइम मिनिस्टर? व्हेन फर्स्ट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ पाकिस्तान वाज एनफोर्स्ड? इंपॉर्टेंट MCQs. 23rd March 1956. Who was the Prime Minister of Pakistan during enforcement of first constitution? Chaudhry Muhammad Ali. What official name was given to Pakistan in 1956 constitution? Islamic Republic of Pakistan. What age was prescribed for president in 1956 Constitution? 40 years. In respect of religion, what term was set for president and prime minister? He must be a Muslim. What was the official language declared in 1956 Constitution? Urdu and Bengali. Who abrogated 1956 Constitution? Iskandar Mirza. When the first Constitution was abrogated and martial law was proclaimed? अक्टूबर 1958 में पहला मार्शल लॉ लगा था जी. When Ayub Khan enforced new constitution in Pakistan, 8th June 1962, what kind of system of government was introduced by the 1962 Constitution? Presidential. When the Constitution of 1962 was abrogated, 20th March 1969. When abrogated? Who abrogated 1962 Constitution and became Chief Martial Law Administrator? General Yahya Khan. When Mr. Zulfikar Ali Bhutto launched a new constitution in the country? 14th August 1973. Which kind of system of government was introduced in 1973 Constitution? Parliamentary. Who elects the President according to 1973 Constitution? National Assembly and Senate. According to 1973 Constitution, who elects Prime Minister? National Assembly. In Constitution of 1973, what age is specified for a person to contest for the election to National Assembly? 25 years. In Constitution 1973, what number of seats in Senate was set? 100 seats. According to 1973 Constitution, what is the term of the office of President? 5-year. Article 58(2)(b) of Constitution 1973 is about power of President to dissolve National Assembly. How many articles were there in the Constitution of important MCQs है दोस्तों? How many articles were there in the Constitution of 1956? 234 articles. 1973 के Constitution में कितने थे? 280 articles. और मेरे ख्याल से 1962 के जो आर्टिकल था उसमें 269 थे. अच्छा. In Constitution 1973, who were declared non-Muslim? Qadianis. When did Fatma Jinnah join Al-Muslim League? 1939. Pakistan national flag was prepared by Amiruddin Qadwai. Pakistan's standard time was suggested by Professor Muhammad Anwar. दोनों इम्पोर्टेंट MCQs है. नेशनल फ्लैग किसने बनाया था? अमीरुद्दीन कदवाई ने. और स्टैंडर्ड टाइम किसने सजेस्ट किया था? प्रोफेसर मोहम्मद अनवर ने. पाकिस्तान फर्स्ट कॉइन वाज इशूड ऑन 3rd January 1948. अच्छा जी. उसके बाद है which is the national flower of Pakistan? Jasmine. In which year Sir Syed Ahmad Khan wrote his famous book The Indian Mussalmans? 1871. Indian Independence Act was enforced on 14th August 1947. Allama Muhammad Iqbal delivered his famous Allahabad address in 1930. At the time of independence, which community was in majority in the state of Kashmir? Muslim. Which state was attacked by India on 11 September 1948? State of Hyderabad, Deccan. Who was the first president of All India Muslim League? Sir Agha Khan. Which pass connects Pakistan with Afghanistan? Khyber Pass. The highest peak of Salt Range is Kesar. Which mountain range is located in Sindh province? Kirtar Range. Pakistan conducted nuclear test on May 28, 1998 at Chavi Hills. अच्छा ये मेरे ख्याल से 1999 है. अच्छा जी. What is the total area of Punjab province? 2,05,344. Who was the second Prime Minister of Pakistan? Khwaja Nizamuddin. The 1973 Constitution of Pakistan came into force on 14 August 1973. The member of Punjab Assembly are 371. Senate of Pakistan comprises of how many members? 104. The third largest city of Pakistan is Faisalabad. The Muslim came to Sindh in 712 AD under the leadership of Muhammad bin Qasim. अच्छा जी, the area between river Jhelum and Chenab is called Chaj. The ruins of Harappa are situated in district Sahiwal. Sixth most populated country of the world. अच्छा, उसके बाद है जी, the Tal desert is located in Punjab. अच्छा, जो ताल डेजर्ट है ना दोस्तों, THAL, ये कहाँ पर वाक़या है? पंजाब में। और इसके अलावा मैंने आप लोगों को बताया था इससे पहली वाली वीडियो में जो 26 मिनट की थी कि जो दूसरा डेजर्ट है हमारे पास THAR तर, वो हमारे पास एक तो सबसे बड़ा डेजर्ट है पाकिस्तान का, और दूसरी बात कि वो सिंध में है। ठीक है। Who was the first Punjab poet? Baba Farid. Who was the hero of Pak India 1965 for Major Raja Aziz Bhatti? Which is the first book of Pashto language? Pata Khazana. Important MCQs. Urdu is a word of Turkish language. It means army. Very good. इसको हम कहते हैं लश्कर उर्दू में। मादर मिल्लत फातिमा जिन्ना died in the year 1967. Who inaugurated the State Bank of Pakistan? 1 जुलाई 1948 को क़ायद आज़म ने स्टेट बैंक का इफ्तिताह किया था। Where is Worksek Dam of Pakistan situated? FATA. Identify the largest cantonment of Pakistan. Kharian Kent. अच्छा जी, which city of Pakistan held the OIC conference in 1977? Islamabad. Length of Commission border of Pakistan and Afghanistan is 2252 किलोमीटर, जिसको ड्यूरन लाइन भी कहा जाता है। The Kargil incident happened in 1999. Who was the first woman governor of State Bank of Pakistan? Dr. Shamshad Akhtar. What is the total area of Balochistan province? 347,190 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर, जो पाकिस्तान के 44% एरिया पर है। What is the total area of Sindh province? 140,914 square kilometer. What is the total area of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa? 74,521 square kilometer. And what is the total area of FATA? 27,220। FATA का MCQs पूछा जा सकता है। The first chief of staff of Pakistan Army was General Teka Khan. The first chief of staff of Pak Army was General Teka Khan. Zafar Ahmed Chaukuri was the first chief of air staff of Air Force. The headquarters of Air Force is located in Rawalpindi. The highest official rank of Air Force is Air Chief Marshal. The highest non-operational military base is Sitara-e-Risalat. The range of Hadafon is 100 km. At the time of 1965, the Commander-in-Chief of Pakistan Army was General Muhammad Musa Khan. At the time of 1965, the Commander-in-Chief of Pak Army was General Agha Muhammad Yahya Khan. At the time of Kargil in 1999, the Chief of Army Staff was General Pervez Musharraf. Till the name of Chief of Staff of Pak Army who died in uniform, General Muhammad Ziaul Haq and General Asad Nawaz, जिनका जहाज़ क्रैश कर गया था। अच्छा जी, दूसरा है कि टिल द नेम ऑफ चीफ ऑफ स्टाफ ऑफ पाक आर्मी हु डाइड इन यूनिफॉर्म, ये तो हो गया। द नेम ऑफ फर्स्ट पाकिस्तान मेड सबमरीन इज़ अगोस्टा 9TB. The name of first Pakistan aircraft is JF-7 Thunder. Captain Muhammad Sarwar was martyred in the war of 1948. On which of the following date Captain Commercial Khan was martyred? 8 July 1999. The capital of KPK is Peshawar. Who was the first Chief Minister of KPK? Khan Abdul Khan Qayyum. The area of KPK is 74,421 square kilometer. World largest tribal society is Pashtun. Masjid Muhammad Khan is located in Peshawar. How many districts are there in KPK? 26. Which area is called gun factory of the tribal areas Darra Adam Khel? Who was the first Muslim governor of KPK after independence of Pakistan? Sahibzada Muhammad Khurshid. Peshawar means city of flowers. Kalam and Bahrain are imported tourist point of Swat Valley. Which mountain range separate Pakistan and Afghanistan? The Hindu Kush. Kagan Valley is called Pearls of the Himalaya. The highest mountain of KPK is Tirchmir. The area of Sindh is Hogeata. Kirtar Hills are located in Sindh. The Indus River falls into the Arabian Sea. Sindhi language is based on Arabic. Where is the National Museum Pakistan located? Karachi. Gardani is famous for shipbreaking. Shah Jahan Mosque is located in Thatta. The Thar Desert is called Fendi Desert. The shrine of Lal Shahbaz Qalandar is situated in Sehwan Sharif. Lal Shahbaz Qalandar wrote several books in Persian and Arabic. Mohenjo-daro means mound of the dead. Mohenjo-daro is a 4,000-year-old city of the Indus civilization. Mohenjo-daro is located at the west bank of the Indus. The upper Sindh, the hottest place in Pakistan, is Jacobabad. The shrine of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai is located in Bidsham. Largest city of Pakistan is Karachi. Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai. Shah Abdul Latif is the author of Shahjahan Risalo. Risalo is the best known collection of romantic poetry in the Sindhi language. Malakra is a traditional game of Sindh. The shrine of Abdullah Shah Ghazi is located in Karachi. The largest coal reservoir are found in Thar. On which date is Death Anniversary of Quaid-e-Azam observed? 11th September. K2 is also known as Godwin Austen, which is the youngest mountain range on the earth, Himalayas. K2 is present in which mountain range? Karakoram. K2 दोस्तों मैंने पिछली वीडियो में भी बताया था, ये अक्सर MCQs लड़के गलत कर देते हैं कि K2 प्रेजेंट इन विच माउंटेन रेंज. K2 जो है काराकोरम जो हमारे पास है उसके ऊपर K2 है. ठीक है. नंगा पर्वत इज़ द पार्ट ऑफ हिमालय का जो है नंगा पर्वत पार्ट है. विच रेंज इज कॉल्ड रूफ ऑफ द वर्ल्ड? पामीर प्लेट्यू. नेम ऑफ रेंज विच सेपरेट चाइना फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान? काराकोरम. नेम द रेंज which separates Pakistan from Afghanistan? Hindu Kush. Nanga Parbat is ranked as the ninth highest mountain peak of the world. The height of Nanga Parbat is 8126 meter. How many peaks above 8,000 meter are found in Pakistan? 5. The length of Siachen Glacier is 76 kilometer. The length of Baltora Glacier is 62 km. What is the height of Siachen Glacier? Siachen is 1,000 feet. Second highest glacier of the world is Siachen Glacier. The salt range is situated between river Sons and Jhelum. Which mountain peak is called Killer Mountain? Nanga Parbat. Nanga Parbat इसको कहा जाता है. What is the total height of K2 peak? 8,611 meter. What is the meaning of Nanga Parbat, necked mountain? Who was the first Pakistani to climb the K2? Ashraf Aman. Who was the first person that climbed to the Nanga Parbat? Harman Bohal. How many peaks in Pakistan are higher than 7,000 meters? 121. Glacier Brahm 1 is also known as Hidden Peak. Height of Islamabad from sea level is 1700 feet. The meaning of FATA is federally administered tribal areas. The total area of FATA is 27,220. FATA comprises of 7 agencies. The area of Azad in Jammu Kashmir is 13,000 Azad Jammu and Kashmir 13,297 square kilometer. The capital of Azad Jammu and Kashmir is Muzaffarabad. Who was the first governor of Gilgit-Baltistan? Kamaruzzaman Khaira. Who was the first woman governor of Gilgit-Baltistan? Begum Shama Khalid. Which valley is known as the roof of the world? Baltistan. Baltistan is called Little Tibet. Sheena is local language of Gilgit-Baltistan. When was the first Pakistani postal stamp issued? July 1948. India has constructed Baghilar Dam on the Chenab River. The national anthem of Pakistan is written by Hafiz Jalandhari. Who chose the name of Pakistan? Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. Who is the current Chief of Army Staff Corps Pakistan? General Qamar Javed Bajwa. Who is the current Chairman Joint Chief of Staff Pakistan? General Zubair Hayat. Newly selected Army Chief Qamar Javed Bajwa belong to Regiment 16th Baloch Regiment. General Qamar Javed Bajwa is 16th Chief of Army Staff of Pakistan. General Qamar Javed Bajwa took oath as Army Chief on 29th November 2016. उसके बाद जी 2016 में इन्होंने ओथ उठाया था 29 नवंबर को। अच्छा जी, टिल नाउ हाउ मेनी चीफ ऑफ आर्मी स्टाफ कोर्स ऑफ पाकिस्तान आर सेलेक्टेड फ्रॉम बलोच रेजिमेंट 4? टिल नाउ हाउ मेनी पाकिस्तानी won the Nobel Prize for Physics? Dr. Abdul Salam in 1979. Who is newly appointed DGSPR of Pakistan Army? Major General Asif Kapoor. आजकल ये नहीं है, आजकल जुबैर हयात है। Kashmir Day is observed in Pakistan on 5th February. Labor Day is observed on 1st May. And longest serving Prime Minister of Pakistan लियाकत अली खान। ये दो MCQs काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट है कि कश्मीर डे कब मनाया जाता है दोस्तों। 5 फरवरी को हम कश्मीर डे मनाते हैं, ठीक है, और उसके बाद लेबर डे हम 1 मई को मनाते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच। डिस्कस करते हैं और भी MCQs में थोड़ा सा रेस्ट करता हूँ और इंशाल्लाह भी हम MCQs और भी डिस्कस करेंगे आपके साथ। अच्छा दोस्तों, जैसे कि मैंने आप लोगों को बताया कि आज की जो वीडियो है, देखिए मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कि मैं छोटी छोटी वीडियोस बनाने से परहेज़ करूँ जो 5 मिनट 6 मिनट की। मैं कहता हूँ कि एक ही वीडियो बनाऊँ, 1 घंटे की हो, 1.5 घंटे की हो, 40 मिनट की कम से कम हो, ताकि आपके जो मुख्तलिफ़ पोर्शंस है, जिस तरह के करंट अफेयर्स हो गए हमारे पास, पाकिस्तान अफेयर, जनरल साइंस एंड एबिलिटी, इस्लामिक स्टडीज़ और मुख्तलिफ़ पोर्शन, ताकि आप लोग के कवर हो जाए। और एक बात और, अभी आजकल आप देखें कि नेब, FIA, कस्टम इंस्पेक्टर, FBR, CSS, PMS, आर्मी का जो एकेडमिक्स पोर्शन होता है, नेवी, एयरफोर्स, उसमें इसी तरह के MCQs आते हैं कई। और देखिए अगर आप किताबें भी उठाएंगे तो उसमें भी यही MCQs है। तो इससे अच्छा है कि अभी ये वीडियो आप लोगों को मयसर है, आप अपना एक रजिस्टर उठाए, वहाँ पर आप लोग लिखें अपने लिए, ठीक है, या इस तरह वीडियो को बार बार देखें। तो इससे ये होगा कि जितने भी MCQs आप लोग के होंगे वो सारे के सारे आपके रिवाइज हो जाएंगे। तो दोस्तों, जिस तरह के मैंने आपको बताया, मैं आपका टाइम ज़्यादा नहीं ज़ाया करूँगा। अभी मैंने इस्लामियात का पोर्शन स्टार्ट करता हूँ जी। पहला MCQ, इससे पहले भी मैंने एक वीडियो बनाई है इस्लामियात के ऊपर, बल्कि 2 बनाई है, वो भी आपको शायद इसी मेरे चैनल से मिल जाएगी। तो चलो जी स्टार्ट करते हैं। प्रॉफिट मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम बिलोंग टू हाशमी फैमिली, ठीक है। In the beginning, Prophet Muhammad worked as a shepherd for Banu Sa'd. Prophet Muhammad had 3 sons. To what prophet the Zabur was revealed by Allah? Prophet Dawood. To what prophet the Injil was revealed? Prophet Isa. ठीक है जी। अच्छा, what companion of Prophet Muhammad was awarded with the title of the Sword of Allah? Hazrat Khalid bin Walid radhiyallahu anhu. What companion of Prophet was awarded with the title of the Lion of Allah? Aliul Murtaza. व्हाट वाज द नेम ऑफ इमाम बुखारी? मोहम्मद बिन इस्माइल। दोस्तों ये एमसीक्यूज़ काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि एक तो वैसे भी हमारे यहाँ जो ये किताबें इमाम बुखारी हदीस की जो किताब है जो मोहम्मद बिन इस्माइल ने लिखी है, इसको बहुत ज़्यादा अहमियत हासिल है। इसमें काफ़ी ज़्यादा हदीस हैं और ये एमसीक्यूज़ अक्सर जो है काफ़ी ज़्यादा पूछा जाता है, इसलिए मैं बार बार बता रहा हूँ कि इमाम बुखारी किसने लिखा है? मोहम्मद बिन इस्माइल ने। ठीक है। खतीबुल अंबिया वाज द टाइटल ऑफ प्रॉफिट शुएब। ये भी बड़े इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़ है, एक दफ़ा आ चुका है एकेडमिक्स में, बल्कि काफ़ी दफ़ा आ चुका है काफ़ी टेस्टों में। खतीबुल अंबिया प्रॉफिट शुएब। ठीक है। उसके बाद है नमाज खसूफ इज़ ऑफर्ड एट द टाइम ऑफ लूनर इक्लिप्स। अच्छा, नमाज खसूफ, ये बात याद रखना, इज़ ऑफर्ड एट द टाइम ऑफ लूनर इक्लिप्स। ठीक है। अच्छा, who takes out souls of life-bearing creatures? Israel Islam. Name the angel who was appointed to deliver message to Prophet Muhammad from Allah. Jibreel Islam. अच्छा जी, उसके बाद है नेम द केव हेरा इज़ इन द अनूर माउंटेन। अच्छा जी, तो केव हेरा कहाँ पर है? नूर माउंटेन में है। ये भी काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़ है। The first mosque on the surface of earth is Masjid Quba. Name the wife of Prophet Muhammad who was daughter of Hazrat Umar Farooq, Hazrat Hafsa. What was the relationship between Prophet Ismail and Prophet Ishaq brothers? Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, lived in Medina for 10 years. ठीक है। अच्छा जी, 10 साल उन्होंने मदीना में गुजारे और बाकी उन्होंने मक्का में गुजारे। अल हुदैबिया ट्रीटी वाज scribed by Aliul Murtaza. The angel who delivered message to Prophet Muhammad from Allah was Jibreel. Hazrat Ali was martyred in 40 Hijrah. Important MCQs. Which country is called the land of Prophet? Palestine. Important MCQs. Sahista or 6 books of Hadith. Eid prayer is wajib. The book of Hadith Al-Muwatta was compiled by Imam Malik. The book of Hadith Kitabul Asar was compiled by Imam Abu Hanifa. अच्छा जी, उसके बाद in Hajj touching the black stone is called Istislam. Banu Qurayza, Banu Nadir and Banu Kunika were 3 tribes of the Jews. अच्छा जी, Muhammad is the messenger of Allah is stated in Surah Al-Fatiha. Allah says wives of Prophet Muhammad are the mothers of believer in Surah Al-Azab. The name Muhammad has been mentioned 4 times in the Holy Quran. दोस्तों ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़ है। जब भी इस्लामियात के पोर्शन से कोई ना कोई सवाल उठाया जाता है तो ये सवाल उसमें कंफर्म होता है कि आप सल्लम का नाम कुरान में कितनी दफ़ा आ चुका है? 4 मरतबा। ठीक है। अच्छा जी, विच सूरा ऑफ कुरान इज़ बिस्मिल्लाह ट्वाइस? अच्छा, ये अल-नमल लिखा हुआ है, ये गलत है जी। ठीक है, अल-नमल नहीं है, ये सूरह अल-तौबा है। दोबारा अच्छा, 1 मिनट सब्र करें जी, 1 मिनट यहाँ से। अच्छा, ये जो लिखा हुआ है विच सूरा ऑफ कुरान इज़ बिस्मिल्लाह ट्वाइस। ठीक है, अल-नमल। विच सूरा स्टार्ट विदाउट बिस्मिल्लाह? अल-तौबा। विच सूरा कंटेन द ऑर्डर अबाउट वज़ू, गुस्ल एंड तयम्मुम? Surah Al-Maida. Which famous ghazwa is mentioned in Surah Al-Imran? Ghazwa Uhud. In Surah Kahf, which animal is mentioned along with the Ashabi Kahf? Dog. The battle of Yarmouk was fought between Muslims and Romans. Masjid Qiblatain is in Medina. In Hajj, stoning the devil is called Rameh. In Hajj, traveling 7 times between Safa and Marwa is called Sa'i. The first Umayyad caliph was Amir Muawiyah. Amir Muawiyah. In the battle of Uhud, Prophet Muhammad selected 50 skillful archers to stay on a mountain side. Acha, what was the relationship between Prophet Musa and Prophet Harun? Brother. Baitul Ma'mur is on 7th heaven. Mosque of Zarar was demolished by Prophet. Hazrat Ali conquered the fort of Qamus. Lady named Zainab tried to poison the Holy Prophet. Prophet recited Surah Al-Fatiha at the conquest of Makkah. अच्छा जी, Second migration to Habshas took place in 1616 AD. Friend of Hazrat Hatija Nafisa carried message of Nikah. Abdul Muttalib died in 579 AD. For 6 years Hazrat Halima took care of Prophet Muhammad. For 2 years Abdul Muttalib took care of Prophet. Social boycott of Banu Hashim took place in Nabi 7th Nabi 3 साल के लिए हुआ था. Social boycott continued for 3 years. Original name of Abu Jahl was Umar bin Hisham. Umar bin Hisham was the real name of Abu Jahl. Important screen. Abu al-Hikm is the title of Abu Jahl. Abu al-Hikm is the title of Abu Jahl. King of Daesh, Iran tore away the message of Prophet. After Daesh, year of the birth of Holy Prophet, Bibi Amina died 6. After 8 years of the birth of the Prophet, Abdul Muttalib died. अच्छा जी. Rabiul Awwal was called month of migration. Prophet addressed Khutbah Jummah for first time in first Hijrah. Year of deputation is 9th Hijrah. अच्छा जी. Muwakhat Medina took place in 2nd Hijri. Jihad was allowed in 2nd Hijrah. Huraira meaning Akat, companions of Prophet at Hudaybiyah were 1400. Prophet stayed at Makkah for 15 days after its conquest. Hazrat Hadija and Hazrat Abu Talib died in 1619 AD. का ग्रीफ ईयर भी कहा जाता है. अच्छा जी. Hazrat Umar proposed azan for the first time. Prophet Hazrat Nuh, known as Sheikhul Anbiya. Ghazwa Badr occurred in 2nd Hijrah. Muslim fought in the battle of Ghazwa Badr 313. 4 kings accepted Islam in the Prophet sent them letters. Idols in Kaaba before Islam numbered 360. The largest idol name was Hubal. Bilal called first azan of Fajr prayer. Hubba भी कहते हैं, Hubal भी कहते हैं. The grave of the Prophet was prepared by Hazrat Abu Talha. At Daesh, Masjid Nabi, first Muslim university, was established. The flag color of the Holy Prophet was white and yellow at the time of conquest of Makkah. अच्छा जी. ये इसके बाद आती है आपके बाद द फ्लैग कलर्स. ये तो हो गया. हज़रत हतीजा डाइड एट 65 years age. हज़रत असद डाइड फर्स्ट अमंग द सहाबा. हज़रत उस्मान बिन तलहा was the key holder of Kaaba. हज़रत उस्मान बिन तलहा was the key holder of Kaaba. Hazrat Abu Bakr was the merchant of cloth. Hazrat Umar Farooq was martyred on 1st Muharram 24 age. Hazrat Umar added a Salatu Khairum Minan Nawm in Azan. Only Sahabi without seeing Prophet is Awais Karni. Hazrat Umar leaves zakat on horses. Hazrat Ali lifted zakat on horses. Hazrat Abu Bakr had knowledge of dreams. Hazrat Usman added second azan for Friday prayers. Etiquette is the Atiq is the title of Hazrat Abu Bakr. Hazrat Umar established Department of Police. Ghani was the title of Hazrat Usman. Hazrat Ali has the title The Gateway to Knowledge. For 18 years Hazrat Ayub suffered from skin disease. Hazrat Abu Zar Ghaffari is known as the first Darwish. Sheikh Abdul Qadir Jilani is buried at Baghdad. Surah means city of refuge. 5 verses were revealed in the first Wahi. Namaz commanded in the Quran for 700 martaba. Namaz का जिक्र कुरान में आ चुका है. Hazrat Usman was the first Hafiz of the Holy Quran. Hazrat Umar proposed the compilation of Holy Quran. A city of Rome is mentioned in Holy Quran. Surah Yasin is known as heart of Quran. Surah Rahman is known as beauty of Quran. Subject of Holy Quran is human. Hazrat Khadija accepted Islam first in women. Hazrat Abu Bakr accepted Islam first in men. At age of 40 years, the Holy Prophet received first वही 40 साल की उम्र में आप सल्लम के ऊपर नबूवत की जो वही थी वो आई थी. Hazrat Halima was the foster mother of Holy Prophet. Prophet was born in first year of elephant. After 18 months at Medina, the change of Qibla occurred. Desh ghazwaz are described in Holy Quran. और अभी तक 27 गज़वात हो चुके हैं. Prophet are mentioned in Holy Quran 26. In Holy Quran 6 surah start with the name of Prophet. There are 7 stages in Holy Quran. Name of Quran mentioned in Quran are 55 times. Laws about zina revealed in 5 H's. Laws about orphanage revealed in 3H. Laws about inheritance revealed in 3H. The order of hijab for women revealed in 4H. Paradise is mentioned in Quran for 150 times. Nation of Nuh worshipped 5 idols. Ibrahim remained in fire 40 days. Ibrahim was 86 years old when Ismail a.s. was burnt. Hazrat Idris a.s. was the first who learned to write. Hazrat Musa was granted 9 miracles. Hazrat Ayyub a.s. was famous for his patience. Prophet Hazrat Dawood a.s. is the title Najibullah. Prophet Hazrat Dawood is the title of Najibullah. After 7 days continuous rain and storm, the nation of Hud destroyed. Yusuf a.s. and Yaqub a.s. met each other after 40 years. Nation of Shu'aib committed embezzlement and trust. What is the verbal meaning of word Islam? Obedience of Allah. From which word Aqidah is derived? Aqd, basic pillar of beliefs are 5. Opposite of Tawheed is Shirk. On which time the Holy Prophet was gifted with namaz, Miraj. 5 prayers were declared compulsory in 10th Nabi. How much takbir are recited by Muazzin in Azan 6? What is verbal meaning of zakat? To purify. What is the number of zakat among pillars? 4th. In which Hijri year zakat was imposed? 2nd. Islamic 5 pillars are Tawheed, Namaz, Roza, Zakat. Tawheed, Namaz, Roza, Hajj, Zakat. ठीक है. अच्छा जी. Which Khalifa Rashid announces how many times order for zakat came in Quran? 32 मरतबा zakat का और 700 मरतबा नमाज का. ठीक है. Which Khalifa Rashid announced the war against the people who were unwilling to pay zakat? Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq. Who said that zakat is treasure of Islam? Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Verbal meaning of Hajj is the will to visit. In which year Hajj was made compulsory? No Hijri. ठीक है. How many Hajj were performed by Hazrat Muhammad sallam? 1. What is meant by tawaf? To circle around Kaaba. When was first Hajj performed by Muslim? 10 Hijri. Till the number of first duties to be performed during Hajj. 3. To stay at Arafat is first. Muzdalifah is situated between Mina and Arafat. How many kinds of wahi are there? 3. In which Islamic month first wahi was declared? Ramzan al-Mubarak. What was the age of Rasulullah at the time of first wahi? 40 years 6 months. On which place first wahi was descended? Hira cave. According to Hazrat Abdullah bin Abbas, the last wahi was descended of Hazrat Muhammad. How many days before death? 7 or 9 days. Makki period of the Holy Quran consists of 12 years 9 months 5 days. Duration of Madni period 9 years 9 months and 9 days. Quran was descended around about 23 saal. How much Makki surah of the Holy Quran are there? How much Makki surahs of the Holy Quran are there? First, how many rukus are in the Holy Quran? 558. How many verses? 6666. How many verses of Ayat-e Tasbih are in the Holy Quran? 100. Which ayat of the Holy Quran is called Sardarul Ayat? Ayatul Kursi. Minimum verses in a surah in the Holy Quran? 3. Which alphabet is mostly in the Holy Quran? Alif. Which alphabet is used minimum in number in the Holy Quran? ज़्वा जोन ज़्वा जो हम कहते हैं ना। हाउ मच मदनी सूरा ऑफ द होली कुरान आर देयर 28। अच्छा, ये एक और MCQs इम्पोर्टेंट। मदनी सूरा जो है वो 28 है जी, और जो मक्की सूरा है वो 86। तो ये कितने हो गए? 114। ठीक है जी। द बैकबोन ऑफ इस्लामिक सिस्टम इज ज़कात। कुर्बानी इज़ मेड ड्यूरिंग हज एट मिना। हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम went to Syria with Abu Talib at the age of 12 years. The Holy Prophet was born in the month of Rabiul Awwal. What is the name of the camel Kaswa? When did Hazrat Hamza embrace Islam? 5th Nabi. When 5 prayers become first? 11th Nabi. What was the important event in the month of 13th Nabi? Hijra Medina. 13th Nabi का important event क्या हुआ था? Hijra Medina. In which night the Quran was revealed? Laylatul Qadr. When Hijra started? 12 Rabi Awal of 13th year of Nabuwat. When was the Qibla changed? 2nd Hijri. Which was the first capital of Islamic Commonwealth? Medina. Who are called Ummul Mu'mineen, the holy wives of the Holy Prophet? What was the title of Hazrat Aisha Siddiqia? Hazrat Aisha का क्या टाइटल था? सिद्दीकिया। And what is the meaning of Aqidah, belief? How many essential belief are there in Imam Mufassil? 7. First belief in Imam Mufassil: no deity except Allah. Second belief, the angels of Allah. The belief in Imam Mufassil, the book of Allah. Fourth belief in Imam Mufassil, the Prophet. Fifth, the day of judgment. Sixth, God in bed is predetermined by Allah. 7. Belief in Imam Mufassil, the day of resurrection. What is the literal meaning of Nabi? A person who conveys the message of Allah. The function of Hazrat Mikail is make rain and supply of food to Allah's creature. The function of Hazrat Jibreel is to bring Allah's message and commands to his prophet. Name the angel who take out souls of life-bearing creature. Hazrat Israel alayhi salam. Name the angels who are appointed to put question to the dead in their graves. Munkar and Nakir. And 2 angels are appointed on each person. These 2 angels are named as Kiram and Khatibin. Khatibul Anbiya is the title of Hazrat Shuaib alayhi salam. The effective zakat system can ensure the elimination of poverty. अच्छा, हद कज़ब false accusation is 80 lashes, मतलब 80 कोड़े मारना. Who was a historian, justice, philosopher as well as politician? Abdul Rahman bin Khaldun. ठीक है। अच्छा, wealth obtained from a mine is liable to khamus. Sadqa Eid al-Fitr has been proclaimed in the year 2nd Hijri. Imam Darul Hijrat was the title of Imam Malik. Amin al-Mu'minat is the title of Hazrat Abu Ubaidah bin al-Jarrah. Amin al-Ummat किसका title है? Abu Ubaidah bin al-Jarrah का. Which of the following the Quran considered as an unpardonable sin? Shirk. Who was the first female Shaheed martyr of Islam? Hazrat Sumayya bin Khubat. Hazrat Sumayya bin Khubat रज़ियल्लाहु अन्हा. अच्छा जी, पहला MCQ है कि which article of the Constitution of Pakistan deals with bounded labor and slavery? तो ये है Article 11. From where Arab Spring started? Tunisia. ANSA is the new agency of Italy. America Cup is associated with which sports? Yaching. ये मुझे नहीं पता कि स्पोर्ट्स को कहा जाता है. Meaning of sui generis is of on kind. Which statement is incorrect? Legislature is under judiciary. तो ये स्टेटमेंट गलत है. How many years Nelson Mandela remained behind the bar? तो 27 years. तकरीबन 27 साल नेल्सन मंडेला ने जेल में गुजारे थे. Which sea is in Central Asia? Aral Sea. Wheat is the symbol of progress. Maple leaf is the symbol of Canada. Which hurricane attacked in 2012? Sandy. What is meant by equinox? Day and night equal. What is widow tears? It is a plant. Who created the famous character of Dragola? John Polidori. 1 megabyte is equal to 1,000,000 bytes. Land of seven hills. Rome 2012 फीफा वर्ल्ड कप विनर इज स्पेन. ठीक है जी. उसके बाद है विच कंट्री इज कॉल्ड कुकपिट ऑफ यूरोप? बेल्जियम. एलिमेंट रिक्वायर्ड फॉर सोलर एनर्जी conversion is silicon. Which vitamin is gained from sunlight? Vitamin D. Which waves are used in cellular phones? Radio waves. Arab League was formed in Cairo, Egypt में जी. Which country is in Levant region? Syria. Which event occurred first? American War of Independence. Father of the French Revolution. Jean-Jacques Rousseau is the father of French Revolution. ठीक है. अच्छा जी. Who drafted Constitution of AIML? Quaid-e-Azam served as president of All India Muslim League for how many years? ठीक है. अच्छा, इसके जो आंसर है यहाँ पर नहीं है. इंशाल्लाह इसकी वीडियो बनाऊंगा मैं और आप लोग के साथ ज़रूर शेयर करूँगा. तो नीचे जाता हूँ यहाँ पर जिनके आंसर है. ठीक है जी. ये 67 से मैं शुरू करता हूँ. अच्छा, इसमें कुछ रिपीटेड MCQs भी है जो मैंने आप लोगों को करवा दिए. अच्छा, द फर्स्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ बांग्लादेश वाज मुजीबुर रहमान. द लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर इन द वर्ल्ड इज़ नाइल. द लॉन्गेस्ट हाईवे इन द वर्ल्ड इज़ ट्रांस कैनेडा. द लॉन्गेस्ट हाईवे इन द वर्ल्ड इज़ अ लेंथ ऑफ अबाउट 8,000 किलोमीटर. द हाईएस्ट माउंटेन इन द वर्ल्ड इज़ द एवरेस्ट. ठीक है जी. उसके बाद है द कंट्री दैट अकाउंट्स फॉर नियरली 1/3 ऑफ द टोटल tea production of the world is Myanmar. The biggest desert in the world is Sahara Desert, North Africa. The largest coffee growing country in the world is Brazil. The country also known as country of copper, Zambia. The name given to the border which separate Pakistan and Afghanistan is Durin Line. The river Volga flows out into the Caspian Sea. The coldest place on the earth is Verkhoyansk in Siberia. The country which ranks second in terms of land area is Canada. The largest island in the Mediterranean Sea is Sicily. The river Jordan flows out into the Dead Sea. The biggest delta in the world is Sundarbans. The capital city that stands on the river Danube is Belgrade. The Japanese call their country as Nippon. The length of the English Channel is 546 kilometers. ठीक है जी. The world's oldest known city is Damascus. Important MCQs. The city which is also known as the city of Canal is Venice. ठीक है. सो इम्पोर्टेंट MCQs है सारे. तकरीबन ये कोई 1 घंटे की वीडियो बन जाएगी, लेकिन इसमें मैंने सही जितने भी इम्पोर्टेंट MCQs है वो आपके साथ शेयर कर रहा हूँ. तो इंशाल्लाह आज 1 घंटे की मुकम्मल वीडियो बनानी है ताकि बार बार छोटी वीडियोस ना बनानी पड़े. बड़ी वीडियो बनाते हैं ताकि उसमें ज़्यादातर चीज़ों को कवर कर सके. ठीक है. द कंट्री in which river Wangshu flows is Myanmar. The biggest island of the world is Greenland. Important MCQs. अच्छा जी, ये अभी मैं 1 मिनट वेट करें. अच्छा जी, ये MCQs नंबर 136 है. The city which is the biggest center for manufacture of automobile in the world is USA. The country which is the largest producer of mangoes in the world, USA. The country which is the largest producer of rubber in the world, Malaysia. The country which is the largest producer of tin in the world is Malaysia. The river which carries maximum quantity of water into the sea is Mississippi Sea. The city which was once called the Forbidden City was Peking in China. The country called the Land of Rising Sun is Japan. Mount Everest was named after Sir George Everest. The volcano Vesuvius is located in Italy. The country, also known as the sugar bowl of the world, is Cuba. The length of the Suez Canal is 162.5 km. The lowest point on earth is Dead Sea. The Gurkhas are the original inhabitants of Nepal. The largest ocean of the world is the Pacific Ocean. The largest bell in the world is in Moscow. The biggest stadium in the world is the Prague Strehu Stadium. The world largest diamond producing country, South Africa. Australia was discovered by James Cook. The first Governor General of Pakistan is Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Dublin is situated at the mouth of River Liffey. The earlier name of New York City was New Amsterdam. The Eiffel Tower was built by Alexander Eiffel. ठीक है. The Red Cross was founded by Jean Henry Durant. The country which has the greatest population density is Monaco. The national flower of Britain is rose. Niagara Falls was discovered by Louis Hennepin. The national flower of Italy is lily. The river Danube rises in which country? Germany. Which US state has the sugar maple as its state tree and is the leading US producer of maple sugar? Vermont. Which country is nicknamed the cockpit of Europe because of the number of battles throughout history fought on its soil? Belgium. What is the capital of Libya? Tripoli. Apart from French, German and Romansh, what is the fourth official language of the Switzerland? Italian. Which country is the world's largest producer of coffee? Brazil. In which city was the world's first underground train was opened in 1863? London. How many pairs of ribs are there in human body? 12. Which country is separated from Ethiopia by the Red Sea? Yemen. What are the main port of Italy? Genoa. Mount Logan is the highest peak in which country? Canada. In which state is Howard University? New Jersey. Which is larger, Norway or Finland? Finland. Which city was the first capital of the Kingdom of Italy until 1865? Turin. आजकल रोम है. ठीक है. TURN. Turin. आजकल रोम है. What is measured by an ammeter? Electric current. What is Rhehanurus horn made of? Hair. Which three countries apart from the former Yugoslavia share borders with Greece, Albania, Bulgaria and Italy? Albania, Bulgaria and Turkey. ठीक है. The Pak Strait separate which two countries? India and Sri Lanka. Ga is the symbol of for which element? Gallium. In the Greek alphabet, what is the name for the letter O? Omicron. What is the 16th and 17th century was a Pavana? A dance. A nephron is the functional unit of which organ in the human body? Kidney. In which country is the ancient city of Taros? Turkey. The Khyber Pass link which two countries? Afghanistan and Pakistan. Name the 6 US states that comprises New England. Rhode Island. Which musical instrument is played by both exhaling and inhaling? Harmonica or mouth organ. The northern part of which country is called Oisling? Luxembourg. Napier is a city in which country? New Zealand. What is the Hook of Holland? A port in the southeast Netherlands. The river Douro forms part of the border between which two countries? Spain and Portugal. In which country is the Great Slave Lake? Canada. Which 6 countries border the Black Sea? Bulgaria, Georgia, Romania, Russia, Turkey and Ukraine. Kathmandu is the capital of which country? Nepal. What name is given to a mixture of bicarbonate of soda and tartaric acid used in cooking? That is called baking powder. ठीक है दोस्तों. AOL are an internet service provider. What does AOL stand for? American Online. Qantas is the national airline of which country? Australia. What in Scotland is the meaning of the prefix Anwer? River mouth. Which US state has the lowest population? Alaska. Which country is nicknamed to the Garden of England? Kent. और दोस्तों उम्मीद करता हूँ आज के लिए ये वीडियो काफ़ी थी। इंशाल्लाह मैंने भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा मेहनत की इसमें, जितने मुझसे हो सके मैंने आप लोगों को बता दिया। और आप लोगों ने भी कोशिश करना है, जिस भी टेस्ट के लिए आप लोग अप्लाई करते हैं अपने साथ एक रजिस्टर रखें, उसमें मुख्तलिफ MCQs नोट करें और बार बार इसको रिवाइज़ करें, तो इंशाल्लाह आप लोगों को काफ़ी ज़्यादा फ़ायदा होगा इससे। बाकी अगर आपका कोई सवाल है तो मुझे कमेंट में ज़रूर बताइएगा, इंशाल्लाह मैं उसको ज़रूर आप लोगों को आंसर करूँगा जो मुझसे हो सकेगा। थैंक यू सो मच। खुदा हाफिज़ आज के लिए।